Hello. So we've had a lot of questions on how to order the wellness kits on our back office. So I'm going to walk you through how to order the Canadian product line, the Essential Wellness, that gives you 3 different LRP kits over a 90-day period of time, and then I'll walk you through the US. So once you've logged into your account, you can see now that I'm in my Canadian back office, my Canadian ordering site, and I'm going to hit edit. And what we're going to do, so you can see my previous orders set here of things that I order on a regular basis, and I want you to just search wellness. So it says support collection, number 1. This is what you're looking for. So this is the kit that you'll add, and it will come on your LRP this month. It's our immunity kit. It's a little bit different in Canada from the US, and it's super exciting with its baby Frank and its extra items there. And then you can customize and add any of these different options at a reduced price. So this diffuser is usually much more than this. Copaiba is more than this. So you're going to save extra on these different items. You can even order the touch kit at an extreme discount. I do want to remind you that in October, when you place a 125 point order by the 15th through LRP, you would receive a free clove essential oil. And if you order a 200 PV order anytime in October, you will get a free digestin soft gels, free peppermint oil, a free tamer, and a free calmer. So lots of different add-on opportunities and freebie opportunities for you. Okay, so you'd pick what you wanted. This is definitely something I need. This is something I've had on my order. I'm gonna hit continue, and then I'll add it to my LRP. When this processes, next month you will get the next kit. Okay, so this is in your Canadian back office, and I've got my Lifelong Vitality. If you didn't know, we also have stickers that you can get. I do my monthly donation. Sometimes it's $5, sometimes it's $10, depending on what's going on in my life, and because I donate to different places. And then here are all the amazing freebies that I will get. Okay, so that's how you would order that. Now, if you're looking for the US options, the 3 different tracks that you can use, I'm going to go back to my shop. So you'd log into your account. You're going to flip to the US flag here, pick your warehouse. I don't have an LRP set up in the US from last month because I did mine through Canada. Actually, I did US because I did a convention kit. So I'm going to select and create a new LRP order. I'm just going to put it here to give myself some room, some grace, and save the date. I'm going to search wellness up here. And I can see the different kits here. So if you want relief, you can click on relief. If you want mind and mood, you can click on the mind and mood track. If you want immunity, you can click on the immunity wellness program. So let me just demonstrate with the mind and mood program. So you're going to click on there. It's going to add to your LRP. It just is going to demonstrate here what's in the 3 different kits. Okay, so you can search through that. Those will come one this month, one next month, one the month after. You can hit learn more if you would like. And I'm going to hit add to bag. So you can add a number of different products here to support this program. They've chosen some really great options. For me, I would definitely choose the adaptive. That's something I use all the time. And Copaiba I use very consistently, as well as a daily, but sometimes it's just a drop under the tongue. So I've customized my wellness program there, and we've added it to the bag. You can see up here. So I can review my order, or you can go ahead and add a different wellness. You can do more than one. So maybe I want to also do immunity because I'm running out of hand soap and some of the different items that our family is using. So I'm going to hit add to bag. Again, you can review what products are going to come over the next 3 months. Definitely using turmeric soft gels quite a bit, and I am low on these. So deeper discounts, hit continue. And now they've been added to my bag. So you can see, you can review your order here. You can add anything else you wish to add. You can see here that this order, if I was doing 2 of the kits, is going to qualify, and some add-ons, going to qualify me for all of those freebies. And you would set your order to run. So you can proceed to checkout today, or you can save it and process it on the day that you choose. So that is what's going on with those programs. Let me know if you have questions or any challenges. Be patient with the back office if you are ordering today, October 1st, because lots of people are ready to get started with these tracks. If you are a customer who is not on LRP, you can only get these through the LRP program. So go ahead and start your template there. I want to remind you, you can cancel them anytime. You can cancel in the middle of a track. You can order more than one. You can order some for family members, maybe stock up as Christmas gifts. That's a great option too, and budget yourself while getting all those extra freebies. But again, if you have any questions, let us know. Reflect back on the video we've done on the wellness programs, and I'll create some more little video content for you. So I hope that was helpful. I can't wait to see how people transition their health through this next season. And thanks for watching today.